Ngizolasha ntombazane. Ayibo.
Patrons that have printed tickets, please follow the sign.
This one I beg you, baby, jabba. I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we don't get back. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the best. They catch it, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the best. They catch it, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to another way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go?
Sanibonani, my name is Sepisa Mtsatanga namukela ku-channel yami, and if you're a regular at C-Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a C-Squad. Ngiyanamukela guys ku-channel yami. Ngiyazi ukuthi nginamukela late kodwa-ke kade sebi-Rugby ngakhohlwa ukuqala i-intro, so ingakho ngiyenza manje intro. Manje ngiyaphuma ngiyatshobe ngegalera mese-ke ngenza izinto ey'personal ngeke ngize ngiyivlog, but njengamanje ngegalera asambeni siye egalera. Uthi ngicabula umoya wami ucrust. Hlezi ngiqala ivlog mina umlomo wami ungagcotshiwe. Sengizonithi nje akungazwani ngigcoba umlomo, ngigcoba lip gloss. So guys, asambeni ngizama ukwenza iy'goda nge-week yami. Lenzeka futhi lenzekile nje, ngimuhle. OTD yami guys nizoyibona, ngizoshutha mhlambe ngizoyenza ivideo lapha ey'tolo ngoba anginaso isikhathi manje sokuyenza i-OTD, kodwa imina-ke lo nale week angathi ayinamathele kahle, kodwa kade-ke ngayifaka shame gugile installation yami. So yeah guys, asambeni siye egalera, sengilate. Yalazi udaba sambeni.
To me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else does what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. had time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm cheeks, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We do what we want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?